Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Barry's Backyard Barbecue. And again, we're doing another Give It a Taste episode. And today, we're going to see how these stack up against each other. UTZ, which is a name brand, which is like $4.79, I believe. And Giant Eagle, which is $2.38 or something like that. I can't remember. I think it was real close to that price. Both 7 ounces, 7.75 ounces. Can't smell as much vinegar coming out of the UTZ as you can the Giant Eagle brand. But we're going to give it a taste and let you know how they stack up. They look nice. Both about even. Look like both about the same thickness. Here's the UTZ. They got a very subtle vinegar taste to them. You taste more chip. Not greasy, but they have a nice crunch. Now the Giant Eagle. Much lighter chip. Pretty good on the vinegar. Nice taste to it. But price-wise, I'm going to definitely give the Giant Eagle Salt and Vinegar a thumbs up because giving them both a taste, UTZ didn't stack up as good as the Giant Eagle for the taste-wise. I thought these were more, they almost kind of taste a little sweet to me, but and very, very light on the vinegar. And I want to appreciate you coming back for another episode of Barry's Backyard Barbecue. Give it a taste. And please make sure you like and subscribe. And we will post some more videos later. Thank you.